afternoon, everybody. I am back with another unboxing from my Ruby and Diamond sale haul, I guess you would call it. If you recall from my first video, I got 4 paintings. The first one was Nefertiti, and now that I've had a peek in the box, I remember all 4 of the ones that I got. And they are, in fact, all Mandie Manzano's. I'm always like saying, I'm not a diehard Mandie Manzano fan or whatever, but like, you can't deny that her work makes great diamond paintings, and so there are a lot of really good things that she makes. So I'm just gonna, I'm gonna just start admitting, I guess not admitting, but like just calling myself a fan. I just feel weird doing that because I'm so used to like a fan meaning like you try to like everything they do and blah blah blah, but like, not all of her stuff is my style, but a lot of her stuff is my style, and again, it makes great diamond paintings. So this is Lips Like Morphine, which I have wanted ever since I saw it, especially since I saw like a picture and I saw this little transition here, like that part just like perfect. So we're going to get right into this. The first one, the Nefertiti, that was like kind of small one, and I think that was also the only round that I got. The rest of them are all squares. So we're gonna, ooh, this one looks like it was a little smooshed in there. So that, okay. Wow, look at, look at that bag of drills. Okay. All right, so this was, oh, and this is a square with 8 Bs. So this was during the point where they did not have a date listed on the sticker, a date of birth, so to speak. Totally fine. I know they're always improving and changing. However, it was during the time when they started adding tweezers to square kits. So since I'm doing proper unboxings for these, we're going to go over the kit one more time. So this is the envelope it comes in. I save these. Sorry, baggie, I should say, not envelope. But I save these. It says Square Toolkit Contents, so you know it's got that. So this is the Magic Applicator or Diamond Painting Pen. Comes with that. Always has a squishy. This one doesn't fit as tight as many of them do. All right, let's see. Do we have a multi-placer? I am not showing that we've got a multi-placer in here. Okay, so there seems to be no multi-placer. Looks like that got misplaced before it made it into my kit. That is okay because I have a million of them. If you were a new diamond painter, you may want to contact the Diamond Art Club. I don't know. It's kind of up to you. But normally, it's really rare that the multi-placer is missing. So we're going to be glad that I got one with the multi-placer missing and not someone new. A bunch of baggies. Usually not enough for all of the colors, but like I said, I buy supplemental baggies anyway for my storage system. So I just use all the ones that I can use and call it good. 2 of our heart-shaped waxes. I love that they do heart-shaped waxes. That's just really cute. I think the only thing that I like better than heart-shaped waxes is the ones that come in a little pod. We have a clear funnel tray. Not my favorite mini trays, partially because they're clear, but they are perfectly usable for small amounts of diamonds. I generally use a bigger tray when I'm diamond painting, but again, this is everything you would need if you were just wanting to start out. If you picked a diamond painting, I am more fancy or whatever. And the good pointy tweezers. I have a million pairs of these now, and I still get excited about getting them. I'm probably going to start giving them away to friends and stuff, but like, I love these tweezers. Be careful and do keep these. Sometimes you'll get them, and I don't know if this has happened to me in a Diamond Art Club kit, because this is actually squishier than what I'm not used to, but sometimes you'll get one where it's split. But if you get one that's intact, keep it, because these are sharp and they will stab you. So, good diamond painting kit. All right, let's get into this. This is the opaque bag, which I don't care about because I take them out of the bag anyway and put them back in just rolled up. So as you can see, this one's a bit squished. Usually they come more round, but it's not really going to matter because with the Diamond Art Club canvases, they are pliable enough that they don't really hold any kind of stiff wrinkle or anything like that. My cat is staring at me and it just kind of freaked me out a little bit. But anyway, they don't hold like a stiff wrinkle from being squished like that. So it should not prove to be a problem. And I'm rolling her backwards like I always do. Alright, so we have our 9 steps to diamond painting. Oh my gosh, can't talk. I almost wish there was a better way for them to put this so it wasn't always so rolled up, but it's not going to fit in the box, so I know that it's just got to be rolled up there. You don't care about that. You've seen it. If you want closer look at it, they have it on their website. Okay, let's. All right. So I'm just. This one I feel like needs a little more work. The only reason I roll it backwards like that is because I want to roll it out for you guys to look at. And you can see that the wrinkles are a little bit apparent here. But what I'm going to do is peel back the plastic and then smooth it down. And that'll help somewhat. Again, it's not going to show in the final product. Not like, they don't get baked in like you'll sometimes see on a double-sided adhesive. For some reason, that double-sided tape adhesive, rather than the poured glue, it will really bake in these kinds of wrinkles, whereas, you know, like a, oh, let's see, whereas a poured glue, it's a lot more forgiving. And it doesn't get, like, you know, baked in there as part of the adhesive. This might have been a mistake. Just do a little bit. And while I'm doing this, I can tell you it is very sticky, which is to be expected with a Diamond Art Club. You know, I would never expect anything less, to be honest with you. I'm wondering if I have my yardstick anywhere handy. Well, I don't have my yardstick, but I do have this, which I think is going to help us a bit. There we go, that's better. Okay. So anyway, I'll keep talking about this while I do this side a little bit. Just because, and you don't have to do this. Like I said, it's gonna, in fact, maybe just smoothing it down. think I actually shouldn't have even pulled it up. It was like making it worse. All right. Anywho, you can see this beauty is gorgeous. I love this part over here, but just like her fiery red hair and just all this gorgeousness, I'm really excited to do. Again, you know, Diamond Art Club just does a fabulous job of charting these things. I mean, look at this thing. Like, that could turn out really terrible. This kind of detail. Charting that could be nightmarish. It could turn out awful. But they do such a good job. Like, you can tell already that that is going to look beautiful when you get diamonds on it. Alright, so the stats of this thing. We've got 33 colors. Looks like 1, 2, 3 ABs, a yellow, a white, and a blue, according to the color-coded chart. The nice thing about Diamond Art Club is that usually the color on here corresponds with approximately what color the diamond is. I really don't like when places go way off from what color the diamond is. I like to be able to look at the canvas and see what my finished product is going to look like. If that's not you, then, you know, fine. But I like to be able to look at the canvas and tell what it's going to be. So, we will get right to alright, so we've got 5 big bags of 310. And then we've got 3 big bags of 498, which is a nice red color. No surprises there. She's got a lot of red hair. 2 big bags of 666, which look really nice. That's another thing, is I'm always worried about, even with Diamond Art Club, the quality of the square drills. So I'm happy to see that they're looking pretty decent. There are dimples on the back, but like I said, that does not correlate to popping. That correlates to a higher likeliness that the edges are going to be less straight. But I've had dimple drills that fit together perfectly too, so your mileage may vary there. So there's that color, that color. We got 2 bags of 817 here, another red. I'm sensing a trend. Ooh, pretty orange. Ooh, nice gray color. That's gonna, looks like in her mask and her bodice. Nice skin color, and another pretty orange. Oh, we got some more 814. I think, did we have some in here already? No. We had 498, which is a slightly less dark. So we've got 4 bags of 814, another bag of 310, and then a tiny bag of 954, which, okay, good. I got a little worried. I was like, uh-oh, did some that was supposed to be in there not be in there? But it looks like 954, make sure that's, yeah, so it looks like that's just this little color that's a little bit in her tattoo, so it doesn't look like we need very much of that. So, yeah, we should be good. Okay, and now our last string, which must be where all the ABs are. Whoops. Oh, ignore my bruise. I had to get blood drawn last week, and they did not do a good job. That phlebotomist, she poked me here, which is usually where I get it. So that, she couldn't find my good vein. She poked me here, caused that big bruise. They do that thing where they poke in, and they just keep looking, and that's when I get that nice bruise. They tried me here, but that didn't work, and that's where they ultimately ended up getting blood. But I was a little annoyed. I could just tell by looking at this girl. She looked about 5. Poor thing. You know, she needs to practice, but can she not do it on me? Anyway, let's get back to looking at these colors. Oh, I love these oranges. 740 is one of my favorite oranges. Oh man, look at that. Okay, so I thought that was going to be like a yellow, but it's actually an orange AB. Wow, I love it. I really like this 3811 color. I've been getting a lot of that in the paintings I'm working on at work, which are those little watercolor splashy ones that I have from Yahuwah. And there's a lot of that in there. 98, 704. I love this color. Such a pretty green. 322. Ooh, that's a pretty blue. There's our 141 AB. Just a little white. You can see the coating a little bit, but that one doesn't show up on camera. And 137, which is definitely one of my favorite AB colors. And some greens. Ooh, I don't know if I've ever seen this color before, but I really like that. And then kind of a olive gray. So yeah, oh gosh, I'm just getting more excited about these as I open them, because, as I've already said, I'm not excited about the painting I'm working on right now. And I've only just started it, and it's so big, guys. It's 50 by 70, and it just feels never ending. But, you know, I'm making good progress on it this weekend, so, you know, I'm trying to stay positive, because what else can you do? But I don't know, it's difficult sometimes. You guys know what I'm talking about. I'm also, on a side project unrelated to diamond painting, working on a junk journal for my aunt, the one that I told you about that's sick. And so yesterday I tea and coffee dyed a bunch of different paper. So I'm currently waiting for that to dry. And that's out on my patio, hoping it'll get hot today, but I think it's only supposed to get up to the 70s, so it's not even going to be that warm. But, you know, I can wait for it for a couple days if I have to. I found like a tutorial that didn't involve baking it, because that's way too much work. Hey, Polly. Alright, so I'm going to get this back in the thing, and I will get back to you guys later. Oh, actually, before I do that, if you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, including the last two paintings from these 4 that I unboxed, 2 more Mandie Manzanos, each bigger than this one, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified when I upload those videos, hit the bell. And I will see you in my next unboxing video, or possibly a tutorial or tips or tricks video. You all have a wonderful day, evening, whatever is happening to you. And bye-bye.